WMAR 2 News' Megan Knight is live right now at BWI Airport, where many TSA agents have been working without pay for nearly a month. Megan, what's going on out there today?
Yeah, Christian, it has been a long month for those TSA workers. So today, subcontracted workers here at BWI are going to be among those attending a rally to call to an end to the government shutdown and also to show support to those TSA agents here at BWI. Now, among those subcontracted workers, people like the cleaners, the mechanics, the aircraft and baggage ramp maintenance workers, just to name a few. In a news release sent out, the vice president of the workers union says that the shutdown is also having a negative impact on the employees that they represent. So they want Congress and the president to come together, reach an agreement, and reopen the government, get things back to normal. Now, several airports around the country, like Atlanta and Miami, for example, they've really been struggling with very lengthy wait times at security checkpoints because TSA agents are calling out sick more than normal. Here at BWI Airport, I've noticed that the security lines are actually moving along pretty well. Now, TSA spokesperson says that even though they have seen an increase in people calling out sick compared to this time last year, they are doing everything that they can to get passengers through security in a reasonable amount of time. We're live at BWI Airport. I'm Megan Knight, WMAR 2 News.